Hello, I'm here.
Hi.
Okay.
We're back. Remember, type your name in the chat. Almost Friday. Yay.
I'm eating my breakfast.
Okay. You have until 8:15. I saw you here.
Love you too, Mom. Bye, babies.
Adrian, remember, if you're absent, you can always, or if Zoom's not working, you can always go and do work in Canvas and get counted present for the day. It's like if you would have done some math and done some reading, you would get counted present for the day.
I didn't know that. Sorry.
Yeah, that goes for anybody. Like if you leave early or if your Zoom's not working, but you get online on Canvas, that's what's called asynchronous, and you're doing work, you can get counted present for the school day. And you can still go back right now. Oh no, I don't think you can anymore. But you have until like 11:59 each day, till right before midnight to complete work, and then I can change that I can put in that you were present for the day. So if you ever for some reason can't be on Zoom, you can at least go into Canvas and still get counted as at school. We're gonna do math. Remember, we have a math test tomorrow. Make sure you have your math binder too. We're gonna work a little bit out of that. We're working in the billions today, and then we're gonna do some near. I want to do more in the Nearpod today.
Wi-Fi is getting bad, Fernandez.
What?
Even it gets bad at my house. Always
Yeah, if
gets
for some
bad.
reason though, Zoom is just being weird, you can always be on Canvas and just sit on your Canvas page and working on your Nearpod. Like in the morning, we always do math first thing in the morning. If for some reason it's not working, get off and just get on your Canvas and work on your Nearpods and send me an email like Adrian did yesterday saying, I'm working on my Nearpod right now because my Wi-Fi is really bad and it's messing up Zoom and I can't Zoom very well, so I'm just gonna work on my Nearpod. And then like in the afternoon, after lunch, we always usually go into reading. Maybe we'll do a little science before that if we're behind. But you can always be working along with us, just not on the video, I guess. That's why a lot of that work that's on Canvas on your Nearpods is the same work we're doing here because sometimes the Wi-Fi is real bad or I don't know. You have a doctor's appointment that day, so if you have to go, you can always come back, or you can always go and do your work.
I have a doctor's appointment today.
And I already told your mom, make sure you look at reading and look at social studies. Try to get some of it done, okay? Probably not all of it, because I know reading's kind of tough, but for sure do the rest of your spelling words, Vida. There's 5 more. Make sure you do the rest of those 5 spelling words. I haven't really looked too far ahead to reading today. But okay, I guess we'll start with our pledges. Somebody's we're missing. Make sure you mute your mic so everybody can hear.
Hey, good morning, friends. Charlie here. We're going to start the day by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. All right, so the first thing we do is everybody stand up. Go ahead and quietly stand up. Good. And then when you're standing up, what do we do with our hand, our right hand? Do you know? That's right. You put it on your heart, just like that. And now we'll recite the Pledge of Allegiance. You ready? Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, great job. You did it. Have a good day at school, guys. I'll see you soon.
Bye, Charlie. We'll see you tomorrow.
Turn to face the flag. Place your right hand over your heart. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please wait for a moment of silence.
I don't want to start yet because everybody's not here yet. I guess I could play a book. Let's play a book.
I'm looking for my phone so I can match. Oh,
Yeah. First day jitters. Oh, I guess I could play that place value video. Oh, wait. Yeah, today we're going into the billions. I was doing some last night. Ooh, those are big numbers. The billions place. Billions place. Big numbers. Oh, wait.
Wait, didn't Adrian miss out on the 10 millions?
Yeah, I think we did 100 millions yesterday, right? We did a little bit of 100 millions. But it'll be okay.
I stay confused, wondering how the one is worth more than 2. Teacher said, don't worry, it's easy. Here's what you got to do. Sharp on the decimal and you move to the left. You got the ones and tens and the hundreds, thousand, 10,000s and 100,000s, and finally we are at millions. Gotta know your place value. Don't you know what to do? You gotta know your place value. We can solve anything. You must find its identity. Multiply it correctly. Out of content, you'll see. You found a place value. I have no the right of a decimal. Stop it the same way. Remember it starts with 10, you know. Stop it the same way. We make sense, it comes to the decimal, work to the right. That's hundreds and thousands. False name pattern so you know the rest. Don't forget the THS, no. Now I know what makes you you. Now I know what to do. Now I know what makes you you. I can solve anything. I can find its identity. I multiply it correctly. By the power 10 and say, I know what makes you you.
One more video. So yesterday on our math, in our Nearpod, remember how it had like 2 by 1 digit multiplication, so it was like 31 times 3 or something. Y'all remember that? Remember that? And I was like, what is this? Or why are we going over that? We might go over it anyways.
Well, we did the 10 millions and 100,000. We did the 10 millions and the 100 millions yesterday.
It was
Yeah, a little bit the 100 millions and a lot of the 10 million.
Can we show Adrian there's something in my attic?
maybe later. Ooh, 2. Ooh. Let me show you this with carrying.
Hello and welcome to 2-Digit by.
So 2 digit by 1 digit, that's like 31 times 6. It was in the beginning of our Nearpods, and it is again today. I'll show y'all later.
Multiplication. This is for Mr. Chamorro's 4th grade math classroom. Before we get started with learning how to multiply 2-digit by 1-digit
skip
numbers,
ahead.
we see a 2-digit by.
Do y'all remember that from last year? I know it's probably been like a little while, maybe. Y'all remember? Kinda, maybe.
A 1-digit problem. The 2-digit problem, the 2-digit number is at the very top, the 25, as you can see the arrow. The 1-digit number is at the bottom. Notice how we set up the problem. Our ones place are lined up nicely in the ones column, and our tens place are lined up nicely in the tens place. Okay? Now, this problem is set up perfectly for the standard algorithm of multiplication. So let's begin, ladies and gentlemen. Step number 1, what do we do first? Here we go. In step 1, we have the same problem, 25 times 3. You're going to do the numbers that are in red, these factors right here, 5 and 3. The downstairs needs to visit the ones place in order. They visit everybody in order upstairs. So we're going to start with the ones place. So 3 times the 5. 3 is a factor, the 5 is a factor. 3 times 5 is a product of, that's right, good job, gives you a product of 15. Now notice what happened to the 1 up top. See that 1 right here? That 1, ladies and gentlemen, needed to get regrouped because it's in the 10th place. So we're putting it above the 10th column, above the 10th place. Now we're going to get back to it because we're not done with it. So notice everything in red, ladies and gentlemen, is in fact step 1. Now moving on to step number 2. In step number 2, in green, the downstairs number, which is the 3, needs to visit the 10th place, which is also in green. And in this case, he's a 2. So 3 times 2, this 3 times this 2, gives you a product of 6. Now, before we get started, this 6 needs to do something here, ladies and gentlemen. And remember that 1 that we regrouped in the last step number 1? Well, we have to do something with that 1. Here we go. Are you ready? 6. You have to add the 1. You have to do 6 plus 1. The sum of 6 plus 1 is 7. Now that number goes in the answer box down here. And as you can see, we have the whole product now. We have the downstairs number has visited everybody upstairs. So we have our final product, and our final product, the final answer, is 75. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is just a quick review of what we have learned in class. If you need to review this one more time, please go back, review this lesson, and make sure to fully.
So I'll go over a few of those a little bit later. Maybe Because on our Nearpod, it looks like this. It's got a few of them, and I'll go over a few in a little bit. It's supposed to be review. I don't remember. I don't know when y'all learned that last year. If it was right before the pandemic, if it was way earlier in the year. But anyways, let's get started. Your math binder. Make sure you have your math binder page. Place value 4A, page 1. We're going to be working in the billions place. Let me share my
Is it basic facts?
Oh, concept.
Concept? Okay.
The yellow part. Let me share my screen.
I'll get my math binder.
Come on. Always have your math binder when y'all come in the morning. What we start with. It's going to look like this. It's got... Always pops it up. I'll zoom into place value. It looks like this. Place value 4A, page 1. We're going to... I was going to see if the Nearpod's the same for some of y'all that are working. I don't know if it'll let you skip ahead. Oh yeah, it's the same. Oh, but we're doing this one together. Okay. We'll try to get through most of 4A, and then we'll do B, 4B. We'll do it on the Nearpod since it's on the Nearpod. Okay.
Fine.
Do as much writing and whatnot. Okay.
I'm already on the page.
Okay. Everybody's here.
No, I'm not.
I will put Adrian,
Yes.
Mariah, and Vita in a breakout room again, and then the rest of you are going to be stuck with me if I have to. So I know they know what they're doing because they're answering. Hey. They were answering very well yesterday.
Oh, wait, Miss Hernandez?
Yes. Question?
I forgot what I didn't tell you.
Everybody's here because I want to start, and then in the middle, you're like, well, I don't know where we're at. Okay.
I found 4A, page 1.
Yes, that's what we're on. And it's got, it's got this number up here. Whew, that's a big number.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm going to plug it into my place value chart. Okay. So let's plug it into our place value chart first. So you got 6, 2, 0, 5, 4, 7, 9, 1, 3.
It's like the 100 millions, 10 millions, and millions are like in second place, and they lost their job.
See a lot on the billions, but you will see for sure probably 100 millions.
The 100 millions.
Can y'all see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can.
Value of the one is in the 100 millions.
Just making sure I can't see and. All right. Okie dokie. Michael, you have your work, Michael? Where's your math binder? Come on, wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey.
The billions has 9 zeros?
Yes. Yes, right? Yeah.
Oh.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 8, 9. So, as we wait for Michael to get his math binder. Ah, no! No! That's why I need my other one. Okay.
Bum, 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 bum,
Wait for Michael
bum.
to get his math binder. Look at this. What is the place value of the 1?
100
A
million.
100 million.
100 millions. Good job. 100 millions. Millions. That is a big. Oh, I didn't show you yesterday how to make a place value chart. I didn't know. Have to show you. You're not sending?
This is what happens whenever you miss yesterday.
Michael went. I saw his cat in the picture, I think it was. Whew. Oh, Adrian and when is that? Is it tomorrow or is it today? Adrian and Natalie, y'all you earned lunch bunch, Adrian, with Miss Putnam. I'm not sure if it's today or tomorrow. For reading at least 150 minutes on Mayan last week. Oh, it's today.
Do you have to go on lunch?
You have a lunch bunch with Miss Putnam if you want to go.
Ooh, I want to go.
Remind me before you leave, Adrian. Remind me before you leave for lunch to send you the Zoom link. Okay?
But I already have the Zoom link.
No, for hers. For hers. I'll email y'all the Zoom link, okay?
Okay.
All right.
And then the password and then everything else. Okay, I don't know where Michael went, but
Yay.
I want to keep waiting forever. Okay, let's look at this number. What's our first number?
3 billion.
3 billion.
3 billion. Just like we've been doing. 3 billion.
3.
Okay, we've gone past 3 billion. Let me cut this paper into pieces.
3 billion.
We gone past 3 billion. And we gotta go to our
197,000.
no, not 1,000.
100 million.
Yeah, so 100.
197 million.
100, there you go. 97. Oh man, that looks bad. Million. Take my paper out.
100 million. 97.
Wires in the way. So yeah, 3,197,000,000. And then move on to the next part. Ooh.
Four hundred and 80,000.
87. And then you said what?
485,000.
Yep. 400. Oops. Yeah. 400. 5,000. And we have one more part left. What's that last part? Oh, Michael, and he completely left.
26. 100. So 26? 26.
It's 26. Give me a minute to copy that down. That's a lot. 26.
We done.
Adrian, and once you finish, you can try writing expanded notation if you want to.
Okay. There's gonna be a lot of zeros.
Yep.
Nine zeros.
Mm-hmm. So you'd put a 1 with 9 zeros behind there.
I'm done.
Give them a couple minutes. Write this down.
toy.
Yes, blankets. Michael, did you find it or you didn't find it?
You still want like breakfast or egg or anything?
I'm not hungry.
Michael lost his. I was gonna tell him just get on Canvas and do. Okay. Ready for expanded notation?
Yes. Yeah.
So, like Adrian said earlier, we have a lot of zeros there. That's why I put, especially when your numbers get this big, I put these numbers up top to know how many zeros are going to go behind the 1. It's very helpful, even for me. So we multiply what? 3 times
3 times billion.
1 billion. We have 9 zeros. 3, 4, 5. Plus 1 times 100 million. 8 zeros. 4.
That's a really big number.
Yes, this is a really big number. Plus 9 times 10 million, which is going to have 7 zeros behind the 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 7 times 8. Plus 4 times 100,000. Plus 8 times, was that 10,000? There's nothing in the hundreds, so then 2 times 10 plus 6 times 1. That's a lot to write.
Yeah, it is.
Remember, there's 9 zeros, 8 zeros, 7 zeros, 6 zeros, 5, 4, 3, and then we didn't have anything in the hundreds, so then we went to tens.
I'm done.
Okay, look at the next one.
Okay.
We're gonna try to do this page and then this whole page, and then we'll get on to our Nearpod and do some Nearpods. Oh, how many of y'all did one yesterday? Opened it, but we didn't do it.
Done.
Start filling in for the next one if you're done with that one. How do I do this? Oh, Ray Ray wasn't going to be here today. Okay. That's what it was. Ray Ray was not going to be here. She was not going to be here in box. Let me know when y'all are ready to go. I know few of you are ahead. Where did it go? Chloe with the case probably still writing. Natalie's probably still writing. Let's see. Michael, so you found your work, Michael. Let's do 5 math. Pod. What is that? Mute.
Bless you. What day is that? Are you ready? Let's go. So what is the standard form of this number for B? And take the numbers out of the box here and just 4,109,283,775.
Yep. Good job. And then let me see who I'm gonna pick on. Audrina. She popped her head into the screen. What's the place value of the 8?
I wanted to eat something.
10,000?
Yes. Correct, ma'am. 10,000. I should have put you in the breakout room yesterday. I didn't. Yours in the way. So, Vita said earlier we have 4 billion.
109,283,775.
109 million, comma, 280 83,000 775. 100. 70. Ding, 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 ding.
I finished all the pages before page 1.
Writing them all down.
Yeah, all of them.
And place value?
What?
And
Place.
value? Or no, expanded notation, word form.
Yeah, and also did the bottom one too.
Yeah. You finished all of them?
That was easy.
It's easy once you get a hang of it.
Look at my paper.
Show me your paper. Let me see. Get it a little closer. I can't really tell because it's like, I can't really tell.
Too big, so I can't really bring it up closer, but you can see a little bit of it.
I guess that wasn't too bad. That's why.
Peter, what are you doing?
Chloe, are you getting this, Chloe, with the K? I think your head moving. Let me know right now, because tomorrow you have a test over this. And if anything, maybe I'll read the questions and help you start with a place value chart. But other than that, you're on your own for this test. Not like last week where I helped y'all set up problems and we kind of worked through them. It's on your own. Trying to look through maybe.
I'm back.
Because you're gonna have to be able to write, if it gave you these words here, you're gonna have to be able to write that number. Ooh, expanded notation. It's on the test. There's only one problem on there. Oh, beans and cheese.
With that.
We're gonna have to go over that. Well, I was gonna, because skills next week, we're supposed to be reviewing next week, according to what I'm supposed to be teaching y'all, is like 2 by 1 multiplication. So like 28 times 6 is supposed to be taught or reviewed next week, but it's on your test, so I'm gonna have to review it today.
Today,
So I'm looking at your test. I'm trying to figure out ways to quiz y'all on your test information without giving y'all.
I already know a way to answer those kind of multiplication things.
I want somebody else to answer.
It's a little thing called the heart.
Quickly, Zildjian. Go ahead. Okay, I might show you. You know
No,
what?
it wasn't called the heart. It was called the. Oh yeah, it was called the heart. I think the teacher said it was called the butterfly.
I'm gonna help y'all out this week, and I'm gonna actually show you. I'm gonna show you your test. Some of y'all probably already looked at it because y'all have them. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna look at it in a little bit. Okay. Let me quiz you real fast.
Time to save the world.
Okay. So, we're going to change it up here. We're not going to write expanded notation. I'm going to ask you a question similar to one you have on your test. So, it's like these, but you're going to have to write out this number 10,000 is what I'm going to ask you to do. So, if I ask you, this isn't on your paper. We're going to write it right here in expanded notation. I'm not going to do expanded notation. Let me cross it out. Okay, if I ask you, using this number right here, how do you write, or what is the value of the, we'll just say 9. What's the value of the 9?
The millions.
Million. So who said that? Who just said that?
Mariah.
Mariah, you said what?
The millions.
The millions. So that would mean it would say 9 million, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So let me write down answer choices here. Y'all don't have to write any of this down.
Okay.
Mariah says, because this is kind of how it is on your test, and I want to make sure you understand. So Mariah says 9 million. Okay, so she says 9. I'm putting 9. So A, B, C, D. She says 9 million. Let's see. A. Hold on. Don't yell out anything. 1, 2, 3. So, if it asks you what is the value of the 9, we said 9 million, right? Which
Yes.
one of these would be your answer that you would pick? That would represent 9 million in numbers. Let me see. Hold on.
D. 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 D.
D, right? D was
Yeah.
9 million. So you're
Yeah, it would be D.
That's 2 sets of 3 zeros.
6.
Like a million has 2 sets of
Hey,
zeros.
about that. This is your test. Now y'all already have your test, so y'all probably already y'all can look at it whenever. So what is the value of the 7? Notice how there's no place value chart here, correct? So you're expected to make one. I'm gonna help you. I will help y'all with that tomorrow. Help y'all make a place value chart like we've been doing. So tomorrow I will help y'all make one of these, right? Let me plug in this number. Y'all probably won't even remember it tomorrow. Go fast. So 340. I will help y'all, or I will show y'all this place value chart tomorrow, and y'all can use it. That I will help because. Okay. So it asks. The question asks, what is the value of the 7? So we're not even gonna look at our answer choices. No. Ooh. No. My fingers are kind of tiny. So there's our number right here in red. What is the value of that 7? If I go all the way up, what's the value of that 7? If I turn it that way. What's TM mean? What's the value of the 7?
10 million.
10 million. So if I were to ask you, just like we did, how would you write that 7? You would write 70 million is what you would write with how many zeros behind it? Is it 7? No. Yeah, 7 zeros. You would pick. It would be 70 million. I just gave y'all an answer tomorrow.
I'm just gonna keep going.
So which one of these shows 70 million? Don't yell it out. I don't want my usual 4 or 5 that yell it out to yell out the answer. So we said the value of that 7 is 70 million. Which one of these is 70 million? Adrian, Mariah, Vida, Natalie, I don't want you putting your
I
answer.
got it. But I won't say it.
I want somebody else to put it in the chat that doesn't normally answer. Which one of these represents 70 million? Let's see.
Oh.
Our answer would be G, right? Yeah, good job. Okay, let's move on. That's what your test looks like. I'm gonna go over some more of it. Let's see what we think we might need help on. Oh, let's do this bottom part. What let's see. The value of the 7 in the tens place. So tens place is blank the value of the 7 in the hundreds place. So is this 7? Let me highlight it so y'all can see. This wire is in my way. We're gonna look at this value right here. Is this number 10 times greater than the 7 in the hundreds, or is it 1/10 the value of the 7 in the hundreds?
Let's keep on.
Come on. Looking at the shaded number, is it 1/10 of the 7 in the hundreds place, or is it 10 times greater?
1/10.
Ding, 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 Mariah. Good job, right?
Hmm.
1/10. Yeah. I know Mariah's going to pass her test tomorrow.
It's my answer.
I know she's going to pass her test tomorrow. Ooh, my binder's almost coming out. Backside, page, on the backside, 4A, page 2.
Fine. Fine.
Go ahead, Artu. You done this?
Do you have to do this by ourselves?
No, I'm doing it with y'all, but everybody's like all quiet. I don't know why.
Because we're working. We're working.
Anything you're doing by yourself is going to be the near pot. I'll let you do by yourself. But not until we get done here.
Fine.
Adrian, how do we write this number?
Which number?
On the back.
2,988,702,435.
Like this? Check your answer and see if that's what you got. Adrian, is that what you got?
I messed up a little bit. Let me check it again.
Right here, you messed up, didn't you?
First of all, no, I did not mess up there.
Where?
I messed up with the 1.
What one? There's no 1 in here. There's no 1 in here. Oh, maybe at the bottom. Okay. So standard form, 2,988,702,435. Should look like that.
Is this for a page 2?
Yes, the backside. Come on, y'all wake up.
What?
Okay.
4A, page 2 on the backside. We're on the backside. I just flipped it over.
Something is wrong with this. How do I keep getting used up?
What?
Can I do the next thing where it says the place value of the
Yeah,
7?
go ahead. What's the place value?
The place value of the 7, it's in the 100,000.
100,000. So that would make that 700,000, right? Put that up there. So that would make that 700,000. If we wanted you to answer like that on your test.
Okay.
We'll do expanded notation, and we won't do word form down here. But we'll do expanded notation here. So that's 2 times 1 billion with how many zeros? 9, right? I'm guessing y'all are working on this by yourselves. You're not answering. Or you're not working on it at all. Plus 9 times 1. Zeros plus 3 times 10 million. Plus 7 times 100,000. Natalie, you've been awfully quiet today.
It sounds like it's not there.
Oh, she's there. Yeah, she's there. Now she might have left because I don't see her. Go to the bathroom.
I'm done with the C.
I'm done.
Who's done? Oh yeah.
We've been done with C.
There you go. I'm guessing.
I'm done too.
I'm done. Okay. We value the 8 in 10 million place is going to value the 8. So look at value the 8 in the 10 millions place.
Is 10 times greater. Oh, no, really.
Is blank the value of the 8 in the millions place. So is this 8 10 times greater than that 8 or 1/10 of that 8?
8 10 times greater than that.
10 times greater, yep. 10 times the value, yep. This number down here is tricky. It's missing a lot of places.
We're not doing word form?
Base value of the 7.
We're not doing word form. We're going to type it in. When we go to our Nearpods, we'll do word form on there because we can type it in.
Okay.
I'm tired. Oh no, we didn't choose this.
So far, this is easy for me.
We'll see. I want to see if who can get. When you finish C, see what number you get right here. I want to see who gets the right number. There's a lot of zeros in there. I can tell you that.
I'm nearly done with the whole thing of D.
I want to see because there's a lot of zeros in this one.
I'm nearly done with the full thing of number D. I mean, letter D.
Not completing these Nearpods with us. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I got the answer.
Not even Antonio was here yesterday, and he did his Nearpod, like I told him to. Thank you for not.
There's 9 in a billion, 2 in the 10 million, 3 in a million,
Not getting it done. Natalie, I don't think you submitted it yesterday.
and 1 in the...
What?
Your Nearpod yesterday. Shame on y'all.
Which one?
Tuesday. I can see you don't submit. Like I told Antonio, I said he was having like this is what happened to Antonio. His mom messaged me and said he's having problems with Zoom. So I was like, okay, go in the morning and work on the math Nearpod. He completed the whole math Nearpod. Some of y'all that were sitting here with me didn't even complete the whole math Nearpod. Or complete the parts I wanted y'all to do. And he did it. So then he got counted present for the day. That's how that works. People that aren't doing them with me during class is unacceptable.
I got standard form.
Starting next week. Listen, what happens? Starting next week, when we start a Nearpod and we don't get through it or you don't finish it, it becomes your homework for the next day or for that night.
Miss Fernandez.
What?
Well, I submitted all my Nearpods that we did.
Okay, I'm talking about yesterday's though. There are some of y'all that sit with us and don't. Mariah, was that you?
Yeah.
And for some of y'all, it doesn't show up on mine that y'all complete, that y'all do something. But
Yeah, I did the Tuesday Nearpod yesterday, and I submitted each question.
Probably. Here we go. So if he can submit it,
Sorry.
and he wasn't even here, and I gave him directions in an email, or his mom gave him directions, y'all certainly should be doing them with me in class, because we're doing them together. So some of y'all that aren't typing in when I tell you to type, you're gonna have homework starting next week with these Nearpods. We probably won't do one every day, because I doubt it will get to one every day.
Miss
There's
Hernandez,
certain days where some of y'all are gonna have a lot of homework,
Miss Hernandez,
because y'all aren't doing them in class. Yes.
I think I got it, but I don't know.
That's not good, especially when we're doing them together and y'all aren't doing them. That's giving yourself more work.
Because I submitted each question.
Okay, let's look at D so we can do our Nearpod and y'all can something. How do we say this number? Ooh, we got a 9 in what place?
In the billions?
Billions, and then do we have anything in the 100 millions place?
No.
Put a 0 here. That's in the 10 millions. A 2, and then we got a 3.
Wait, I got it. Wait, I'm getting it right.
Okay.
I have it in standard form already.
Do we have anything in the 100,000s?
No.
Do we?
No.
No? Do we have anything in the 10,000s place?
No.
Do you have anything in the thousands place?
No.
No. And now we got 6 times 100, so 600.
6 in the hundreds place.
4 and 1. How many of y'all got that right? Honestly,
I did.
Yeah. I got it right.
Yeah, there's a lot
I
of.
got it right.
I got it right too.
Me too.
So standard form. I'm writing over here 9 0.
Me 3.
Because remember, like I told y'all the other day, I can't just go, like if we were doing this in class and I told you, finish D by yourself and turn it into the box. Y'all would finish it and turn it into the box. I can't do that right now. So I'm relying heavily on your work that you're doing online to see if you're understanding, to see if you're even doing it with us. Like last Friday when I checked and there were some of y'all that hadn't done anything all week long on our Nearpods when we were working on Nearpods.
Wow.
I know. That's why you don't want to spend Friday working with me instead of maybe doing cool math for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. What's the value of the 2?
The whole break playing cool math.
100 millions.
Ow, boy.
100 millions.
Check that value of that 2 again. Look.
Where'd the 2 go?
The 10 millions?
10 million.
10 million.
Check your paper and make sure you got it right up here. Because it's 20 million. Okay.
Sorry. Oh, it's almost break time.
It's not almost break time until we get this Nearpod started and going. Okay.
Okay.
Everybody's done with this or not yet?
Yes.
Raise your hand if you're not done, so I know.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. 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 Done.
Natalie, are you done?
I'm done.
Okay. Okay. Oh, the next page.
Sorry, I said yes.
Okay.
You have to go next page.
Yeah, I want to do this page because these questions are like your test paper. Like on your test.
Oh, fine.
Do these 2 questions.
Fine.
Oh, that one.
Okay. I
Actually.
think you have one like this on your test. Let me see. The next page. 4A, page 3. 4A, page 3. And it should look like this counter. Adriana, can you see my screen?
There's no billion.
What is the, Adrian, Visa, do not answer this. What is the value of the digit the digit 3 in this number? Where's my place value chart? Oh, right there. I'm gonna plug it into my place value chart for y'all. The value of the 3, I'm gonna write it up here.
Oh, I got the answer already.
Me
I'm
too.
gonna write it up here so we can see. So we got 6, 0, 8, 4, 3, 7, 5, 2. What is the value of the digit 3 in this number?
Go over there.
Where's my number at? 3 right here. What is the value of that 3? Somebody tell me. It's in what place? I know it's kind of hard to say.
100,000.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000. So
Thousand.
go down and see which one of these is 10,000. What can we automatically get rid of already?
300.
300, we know that, okay?
And not here.
And then not here.
Probably, because it's probably going to be there. So how do we say this number?
Andy.
B, how do we say B? What number?
B.
How do we say that number? B.
30,000.
30,000. Could that be our answer? Maybe.
Maybe.
How do we say this number down here?
300,000.
Definitely not our answer, is it? Because our number is in the 10,000s place, which would be.
Oh, wait. B.
Yeah.
3.
Like that was 100,000.
I forgot to highlight that.
My till it looks like it's from 100,000.
Okay. Let me read this so y'all can look at this answer. So a rock band sold 70,700 tickets to a concert. Which statement is true? This one doesn't have any like 1/7 or 70 times greater. So you have to go through here and tell me which statement is true about each one of these. And I like to do this. I don't know if y'all did this last year. True or false? So true.
I did that last year.
Okay. So let me put 70,000 in the place value chart. I should draw another one. Let me draw another one real fast. 1, 100s, 1000s, 10,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions. Okay, I drew another one, and I try to draw the numbers to where, or the letters to where you can see them. So, work on this problem right now. So, which one of these is true about this number up here?
I already know the answer. It's not F or G. Not F or G.
Yeah, it's not.
Or F or G. Not the right answer.
Mute yourself if you're not out loud.
Okay.
Everybody to do this. I want everybody to try to do this.
What is that?
What?
What is that?
Hey, y'all working on the problem. Just do Thursday, I guess.
On your pod.
That's near part.
Let me make sure it's the right one part for today. I remember sending that code yesterday.
Are we supposed to go on our Nearpod?
Not yet. No. All right. Who thinks they've got the answer? Who thinks they've got the answer? Nobody?
What?
Nobody thinks they've got the answer yet?
I already got the answer.
But
Want me to tell you it?
No,
The answer is J.
Natalie, are you there?
Yeah. I got the same answer to it. It's J.
Let me see.
Yes, Jay.
I'm gonna send that email.
It's the digit in the thousand place.
Let me see. Okay, let me explain these and read these and work these out with y'all, and then we'll move on. So the value of the digit in the tens place, so this digit right here is 10 times greater than the hundredth place. So you're telling me that 0 is worth more than 700. That definitely is not true. The value of the digit in the 10,000s place, so this 7 is 1/10 the value of the digit in the hundred place.
No, it's 10 times greater.
It would be 100 times greater actually, because it skips a spot.
Oh, yeah.
But at least you knew it was not that one. That's for sure. The value of the digit in the hundredths place, so this 7 right here, is 10 times greater than the one in the thousand. So you're telling me 700 is 10 times greater than 1,000.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's your answer.
Value of the digit in the thousands place.
Okay.
It's 10, the value of the digit in the 10,000s place.
I'm putting. Is Randy on here? Randy, I'm putting the code in for our Nearpod in the chat for anybody that's doing it that way. Please log into your Canvas account and open Thursday's Nearpod. I'm gonna teach y'all something real fast on math.
Is it Thursday's 1.2?
I think it's 1.2. It looks like this. Can y'all see the back of my board? It says skills, first 6 weeks, week 2, day 4. Let me see. Hopefully, this is the right code. So I sent it to Zildjian. Sorry, Zildjian. I meant to send it to everybody. But now you have the code. Please open up your Nearpod right now. Oops. Yeah, I know some of you are going to say, I don't remember how to do that multiplication. There's the Nearpod code. Sorry. I'm going to, before we even start, I'm going to review that multiplication that's in the beginning because you do have one problem that is on your test.
I'm going to have to leave to go on your pod.
Who is that?
Me, Zildjian.
Zildjian? Okay. Wait, hold on. Before anybody leaves, I'm going to show you, I'm going to review that multiplication real fast. It will take a few minutes, and then I'll let you leave, okay? Just in case some of y'all forgot.
Break? We're all leaving?
No, we're not leaving anywhere before we go to the Nearpod. Let me show y'all the multiplication Everybody leave your computers alone. Leave everything alone. Y'all don't need anything. So, something real fast. So 48 times 7. 48 times 7. What are we going to multiply first? Who remembers how to multiply like this? What are we going to multiply first?
8 times 7.
8 times 7 is going to go first, the ones place. So what's 8 times 7?
The 8 and the 7.
Last year we had a way where we did a heart.
Like a heart? Yeah. So y'all can do
Yeah, I did that.
56, and then it probably
Me too, I did that last year.
7 times 4 is what? Yeah, it kind of looks like a heart.
Times 4, 28.
28, and then we got to add our 5. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33.
33.
And then let's do it. Let's do another one.
The code. Okay.
So you put 74. I'm gonna leave the spaces. Let's do 9. I left a space there just so I had more room. So you make your heart, right? So what are you multiplying first? That's a 9. Not bad. What? Somebody was So we multiply 4 times 9. Randy, we're going over this multiplication that's going to be at the beginning of your Nearpod. So pay attention. So 9 times 4 first, and Mariah said y'all did like a heart last year, I guess. So
Yeah, we did. I did it. Like little hearts.
so 9 times 4 is 6. Is this bringing back memories?
Yeah. Yes.
Maybe if I do it this way. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Let's do another one, and we'll move on. So 56 times, we'll just do times 5. Okay, so our first, what 2 numbers are we going to multiply first?
56 times 5.
So what 2 numbers?
6 and a 5.
6 and a 5. So yeah, we'll multiply 6 and a 5, and you get what?
30.
30, and then you carry your 3. Oh, let me put it in green because this is going to be my second step. 3. Now we're going to multiply 5 times 5.
And you'll get 25.
And then plus 3.
Yes.
28.
Yes.
There you go. Okay. Okay, now let's jump into our Nearpod. So let me show you the Nearpod. Randy, if you need to get off, you can get off and log on to that Nearpod. I know some of y'all have to leave because y'all can't.
Okay. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. And you too if you need to leave for the Nearpod. But I'm going to be checking to make sure that you are getting on this Nearpod. Share my screen. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Of course.
All right. Did you get the code from the chat?
Yeah, I already got it.
Okay. So we're going to go to our math tile. Because we are in math still. Let me find math. We're going into modules. Now remember. We're going to do Thursday. Y'all see Thursday? Yeah, y'all can see Thursday. Thursday? Y'all see Thursday 1.2 Nearpod assignment? Okay, making sure, Audrina, you see it? Mariah, you found it? Adrian? Who we left?
I'm there.
Like Fernandez. I went there and I pressed launch tools and it just took me to a place called Math 04 and it shows nothing.
Remember, I don't know why your Nearpods are not working. You're just gonna have to work out of the book, AJ, again.
Okay. Do I just write in my journal?
Write it in your math pages. I would look through the Nearpod, and it's gonna be the same math pages, but go find 4B in your math journal. Place value 4B, page 1. It's the same thing.
Wait, what was the page? Sorry.
Place value 4B, page 1.
Why do I see Princess Peach?
Because I don't know why they did Mario.
Do the Lord of the Rings.
Our Nearpod, okay?
Mario's weird.
Sorry. No copy.
Miss Hernandez,
Yes.
was I supposed to put in the code already?
Yes. Go ahead and put the code in so you can be with us. Natalie, you found it?
Almost there.
I want y'all all doing this with me so y'all don't have to do it later. That's the whole point of it. Come on, Chloe. Are you on the Nearpod? Okay. So you click
I am.
open in a new window and it should look like this. I want to see a thumbs up for everybody that looks like this. Let me open it up first.
Okie
Close
doke.
it again. I keep forgetting it.
No. Please, don't kill me.
Everybody's looks like this. 4th grade, skills/concept, first 6 weeks, week 2, day 4. Yes?
Yes.
Wait.
You have different numbers if you are not.
I can't see your sharing
Wait,
screen.
what skills?
AJ, hold on. You're just gonna. Can y'all see now?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, ow. Oh, ow.
Adrian. Natalie, you found it? AJ,
I'm going
leave.
to it right now. It's taking a while to load. Okay, I'm there.
Okay, we're gonna get started. Okay. For this one, you are gonna need just a piece of paper. It doesn't matter what kind of paper, because you're gonna have to work out some of those multiplication problems. So if you have just a scratch piece of paper or a journal, have it nearby, okay?
I can't find it.
They said they can't find it. What is it?
It was me, AJ.
Okay. AJ, just follow along with us, okay? For this first
Okay.
part. And then when we get to the place value, you can write it in when we start typing.
Okay.
Okay. So it shows us some practice. Y'all see the practice? We're gonna skip. Everybody
That's where
see
I
this on
am.
their Nearpod? That's why you're gonna need some paper.
Okey-dokey. I'm gonna get my journal.
19 times 2. Let's do that. You're gonna need paper. I don't want you using your head.
I
9
can use my hand.
times 2. I'm gonna ask God for the answer. Oh, I guess I can write it. I guess I can write it in. Oh, y'all can write it in here. My bad. But
I don't like writing in there.
if you don't want to write it in here, you just want to put your answer because it's too hard, that's perfectly fine. I'm gonna write it in here. I forgot. So 19.
Of course. Let me get this a big old pencil. Smelly pencil taste. Smells so very good.
If you want to write it in here, you can with me, but it's gonna probably be messy and hard. So let me distinguish his colors. So first, we're gonna multiply what two numbers?
19 times 2.
9 and 2 is what I'm asking for. Okay. So we got 9 times 2 is what?
10.
18.
9 times 2?
Wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
18.
Yeah, it's 18.
18. I think Azu said 18. Good job. Yeah. So 18. I thought you said 10. So we would put our 1
Oh,
right
wait.
here. I'm going to change my color so y'all can see what's next.
Hey, Anthony, you're missing stuff on the Zoom, dude.
2
You're
times
missing some
2.
stuff on the Zoom. They're trying to do the breakout sessions.
I got the answer.
Okay. Now we're on 1 times 2. My heart does not look good. 1 times 2 is what? Come on, we're almost done. I'm trying to get this problem done so I can send you on break, but y'all are just like muted.
4.
I'm already done.
1 times
It's
2
2.
I mean,
Yeah, it's 2.
plus
I
1.
mean 2.
Yep, plus 1.
3.
3. Okay. Leave Canvas open to this so that we can come back and we can finish and work on it after the break. Do we understand?
Yeah,
Yes.
I understand. Bye.
We'll be back at 9:45. Got it?
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it.
Bye.
See you in a little bit.